Today I'm upcycling an old box spring in the garden to get my cantaloupe patch up off the ground. Let's do this. My wife and I gave away a full-size mattress a few years ago, but the box spring was trash and nobody wanted it. So, after burning away the fabric from the box spring, I was left with a lightweight metal frame that I figured could be used for something beyond just sending it to the landfill. Why throw it away if it can be repurposed? So here's where it's going. My 4x8 foot cantaloupe bed has gotten ridiculous. The vines are going everywhere, encroaching on nearby plants and growing through the garden walkways. A few days ago, I rescued a bunny from the cantaloupe patch after a vine wrapped around it and started dragging it in. Who knew that cantaloupe were carnivorous? Anyway, I could totally go buy a brand new trellis for my cantaloupe patch and it'd work great. But why buy it when I could repurpose something for free? Mancycle. Before we continue, be sure to hit that subscribe button to follow along on future DIY adventures. All right, so here we go. In addition to that box spring, I'm also going to use some scrap lumber. My plan is to basically build a second level to my cantaloupe patch so the vines have more room to spread. To begin, I build a frame for the box spring by attaching 2 pairs of 30-inch boards to opposing sides of the existing 4x8 bed to act as posts. Since this bed is exactly 40, the fireworks.
Since this bed is exactly 48 inches wide.
Thank you. I love you. Since this bed is exactly 48 inches wide, I'm gonna need 2 48-inch boards to attach to each pair of posts. This old piece of trim will work just fine, so I cut it to size and attach it. Next, I set the box spring on the newly built frame and wire it into position. Now this upper level is ready to receive some vines. So I take my time unraveling cantaloupe vines and run several up to the new space. And man, the plants love it. Literally 10 seconds after installation, there are vines and cantaloupes all over it. Just kidding, a whole month has passed. The magic of Mancycle cinematography. What fun! No more losing any more bunnies to the carnivorous melons in my garden. Those beauties are gonna stay in their lane. You know what I call that? Oh, that's a Mancycle.